Wait. Oh, what is it? What's the song? Oh, everybody calm down and tell me what your tasks were. I was in admins in my car, but it wouldn't go through. I was swiping too hard. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a photo shoot video. So as you can see, my horse are matching. I think there's this other flower kind of went down. This one. Oh, did I put it? Okay. I'm sorry about that silent moment. It was not meant to happen. Where are my... Where's the one that matches that? I want to match. Here we go. Okay, so going for a little photo shoot. So I want to do like a jumping photo. So I'm gonna go do that. So I'm doing it with my new pintabian. My birthday is coming up, so I will be doing hopefully another shopping spree. If I don't buy Star Queens, I don't really know what to say. I didn't buy Star Queens. So. Oh, we got it. We got it. As you guys know, I have a new profile pic. This is actually really good. It's like a really good picture. No, real. Me in actually the right position. In real life, I knocked down a pole. She overjumped that, okay? I want to do another picture with these because like this horse looks like Gold Rush, but I would have named it Gold Rush, but like it's a girl and it's in my heart. It's always a girl. And then all the pintabians look like a girl, and then the gray one and the black one. And if you guys know what I'm talking about. If you guys play Star Stable, not very many. Oh, okay. I want to do a hard stop picture. I did one, but it was really bad because she was closing her eyes. Okay, I took one like this. And that's really bad. Because she's closing her eyes. What is it? I'm filming. 1 second. I have to go in a second, guys. Stinks, but yeah. I can't take that. Trapdoors in the evening. I'm not even singing that song right. Okay, I can't do it. I keep like tapping super hard. If you hear me going like, because I actually took a picture. I didn't mean to. If you hear me doing that. Okay, we'll do it with this first. Oh, I already took a picture like this, but it's on my other saved on my other computer, so I have to upload that video. Well, I'm gonna go in like a bigger area. Maybe it will be a little laggy because with the recorder and everything. I think I got it kind of right on time. Why is she closing her eyes though? It's pretty good, but I don't really know why she's closing her eyes. I want to do a trot photo because I got this prettiest. If you go to my profile, then you'll know it's so pretty of this little pintabian trotting. The prettiest photo. I love it. Was it in motion? Because I love the. Oh, it is in motion. I love the Arabians trot, and even IRL Arabians. I love their trot. I love IRL Arabians trot. If I had a community page, I would post this picture saying, "Oh, I'm going on a trip," because like there's like the signs that says, "What is it?" Like totally. Oh, my chicken nuggets! It's so pretty, but I like the same photo. I'm just gonna take another one of it. I'm the worst person with photos. Like, I make too many of them. I'm not saying I make the worst photos, I just take too many of them. I want to do one of the midsummer events, like me with my horse, because like that'd be cute, and it could be probably my profile. Maybe I could change my profile. Oh my gosh! I just don't want my profile like a drawn one, like violets or like violet flower gardens or like, what's her name? Whatever, Polar Bridge, Autumn Polar Bridge. Let's go to dinner in a second. I'm like so late for dinner right now. Get your booty over. I hate that it's playing like the horses app music. I mean, nothing against that. Just the horses app music. There's a horse literally baking on the horses app. Probably like almost dead now. There's just there's too many people everywhere. Like there's people everywhere. Okay, mount. I want to get that flower thing in the background. Oh, it mount off on that side. I want to keep my out. Come on, put your head up. I want to like facing me-ish. Come on, put your head up. Put your head up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Can I zoom in? Zoom in field of view. What if I need to grab my like mouse? I mean, not my mouse. My oh, I do that to close it. So cute. Maybe I'll change my profile. Yeah, we're gonna change my profile right now. I'm gonna do it on camera because I want to. Let's do it. It's actually a really cute picture. Okay, so if we go to my custom, as you can see, like so many new pictures. Trapdoors in the evening. I don't know if you guys know what song I'm talking about. If you do, I'm probably not even singing the lyrics right, because I never do. But guys, like if you kind of know what song I'm talking, I don't know why there's an X by it. Kind of a glitchy picture. It's just there's horses everywhere. 1 second. I don't like that I have boots on there, so we'll like put it up. Woo! Okay, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys!